You see this edge? You see this edge? So fold it inside. Fold it inside like this. Fold the edge inside. Always use this your hand to smooth it. Smooth it. Turban. This is Turban Gele. This is very easy. You take from the back like this. It's like you are folding. I have different way I do my front pleating. So, but this one is the one I call primary one. It's more easier. So you take from the back. You create like 4. No, lowest 5. So if you know that your material you have more than 3 layer, just continue more pleating. Like this one is 3 joining. So right now we achieve 1 2 3 4 5. So don't let your pleating to be too far, because this front base is the beauty. So use your 2 hands to smooth it like this. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. So the reason I pleat everything, because the 40 that is coming later is what I will use to cover my back. So right now, you see this edge here, this corner here, you will not take it one after the other. Don't pack everything once. If you pack everything once, it's going to mess up. So if you can achieve here, you can do any Gele style. So take it one after the other with your finger like this. You see, take it one after the other. Take it, and as you are taking it, make sure you take it very hard. Hold it. Don't take it soft like this, and just hold it. Let it be tight. So sorry, my share is making noise. This side as well the same. You pick it one after the other. You pick them one after the other. You pick them one after the other. Okay. Right now, you have the both sides ready. This side is ready. This side is ready. So if you want to raise your hand, make sure you tight your hand. Don't soft your hand like this. Don't soft. If you soft your hand, the Gele will not look firm. So tight your hand like this. Right now, I'm going to raise up the camera, and I will place it on my head. So let me raise up the camera. Guys, this is what we have achieved. You bring down your head like this. If you don't have this type of my weaving, you make sure you pack your hair. If you have weaving, or if you have single plait, pack your hair before you do your Gele. Okay, if your hair is very rough, you can use wig net as well, the black one or the brown one, to cover your hair. So right now, you place it on your head like this. You place it on your head. See the way I place it on my head. Now place it. This is my hand. You use it to this side, cover your ear from the beginning. Once you cover your ear from the beginning, use your big finger like this to press it down. Then use this one to grab here like this. Hold it. The same this way. Pin it down. Grab it. Okay. You grab it. Right now, we are going to turn the fabric at the back. Let me turn. Let me show you the back. This is the back. So the shorter one, which is the 40, goes up. This is the 40. Always take the shorter one up. Then the longer one go down. Then you make sure it's very firm. Use your 2 hands like this to press it like this. Okay. Let me show you the front. This is what we achieve now. So for you to continue your any hairstyle, make sure you settle this place. You make sure this place is settled. This one, you keep it here. This one, you keep it here. Let me come closer. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is what we already achieved. You count it 1 2 3 4. There's one. You have to set it up. Make sure your pleating is complete. You see, set it up. Now you have your 2 hands free. You pull that one and make sure you bring it at because the pleating at the front lowest have to be 5. Must be 5. Then you bring it at. Okay. Okay. So right now you the same this way. Make sure you bring it at. Okay. Then you set it up. Set everything up before you continue. Set everything up before you continue. Okay. Right now, this front, set it to your taste. Set it to your taste. The way you like it. Set it to your taste. Don't be in a rush when you are tying this Gele, because this front is the beauty. Okay. So right now, use your hand to smooth it. Always use your hand to smooth it. You drag here again. We are going to work on the 40 before we work on the 60. This is the 60. You can leave it here always, or you can leave it here. So or you can open your 2 legs and leave it at the middle. So let me leave it here. So right now, this is the 40. The 40, you open it like this. Because we are tying turban. With turban, don't need high. It's like round, but not the high one. So you fold this edge. This edge, fold it inside. Fold it inside like this. Okay. Make sure it's very tight. You take it like this. We are going to place it here. Place it here. You use this hand to support it. Place it on top of what you already achieved. Okay. Place it on top of what you already achieved. Okay. Right now, you use pin to pin it. Pin it here. If you want to pin it, raise 1 plate like this. The one you already achieved, raise 1 and use your pin to pin them together. Pin it together with that one. So that you have to be careful when you use pin. But it's very easy, guys. use pin. Once you use pin there, right now, because we are doing turban, we are not going to do too much pleating. Turban don't need too much high pleating. This one we use to cover the back now. We have the one we use to cover our back. So this is the 60. You bring it, you fold it the same way inside. Fold it inside. Then we are going to place it here. Erase it and place it here. Place it here like this. Okay. Don't cover what you already achieved. Okay. So place it here. This my camera is like it's not that clear. Just place it here like this. Continue. Continue. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. And okay. Turban is very easy. Once you get to the end. So we have two types of turban. Some people don't even need more pleating from here. They just wrap everything at the back. Some people see need some pleating little bit. Okay, so right now this is the back. This is the back. You look for any edge like this. Just take any edge and take this edge, divide it and tie it. You knot. We are going to knot it now. Knot it. Okay, knot it twice. Knot it. Let it be firm. So before you knot it twice, you make sure. Okay, right now, like I said before, we have two types of turban. If you want more pleating, you can create more pleating from here. You take from back like this. You see the way I take it from back. Just take from back like this. You take from back, bring it. Many people, some of my customers, they will show me the picture of they don't need too much pleating. So you take from back, do like 3 pleating like this. Okay. Right now, this excess material, because you cannot finish the material at the back. We need it to cover. So if like this, I can still do like 1, then I will still have material to close that back. You take from back and fold it to the front. Okay. Right now, this is turban. Then turban, this particular place, always press it like this. Press it because we don't need that place to be high. Okay. You set it. Okay. Right now, you know we already tied before. Now we are going to tie it for the second time. Before you tie it for the second time, gather all this material that is left. Just gather them. Do it nicely. Gather them. Gather everything. Just gather everything. So you use pin. Use pin to pin it. Then this one, you know, yes guys, it always, once you use pin there, then you see this one that we tie before. You don't look straight the other one and no, use pin. Use pin. Just use pin. You can use 2 pin for you to be guaranteed that it's secure. Okay. You smooth it. Now you push it back. Push it back. Because turban, you need to push turban back, especially if you have baby hair. If you want to push it back, use your 2 hands. If you want to push it back, use your 2 hands. Grab here like this, push it back. Make sure this your baby hair is out for you to have the beauty of turban. Push it back. Push it back, and I have to be careful. Yes. Then you can use gel here. Then use your hand to arrange it. Guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys. Turban, you are ready to go to church. I have many aja that like turban. Yes, check more of my video on my YouTube channel, how to tie different styles, and Facebook, Deck Beauty. Thank you guys. I have makeup video as well. Makeup video is going on right now, episode by episode. Go and try and watch those videos on my YouTube channel, episode by episode. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.